Good morning and welcome. It's Joy Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I am doing this on one of those canvas boards. It's a 50 centimetre, so that's 19.6 inches canvas panel. Now, I never have any luck with these canvas panels when I'm acrylic pouring on them, but I'm hoping because it's not actually a pour, it's using the acrylic paint, hopefully like the rinse downer type of soft brush work that she's been doing of late. So and this one I'm going to do a lot of metallics and neutral colours just with a pop, I'm thinking. But my colours will be, I'm using these Global Fine Art Student acrylic impastos. These are the VOC free ones, so they're completely harmless to the environment. So the yeah, and brush out with water. So it's just I'm probably gonna use these for my base. So I'll just get along and do my black base first, which I want to allow to dry, and then we'll go on from there, and I'll jump in when I feel I need to. So yeah, I'm gonna just, because I'm just using the acrylic, I'm going to just use it directly from the container. So here we go. Okay, it's been drying for about half an hour. I can see it's not completely dry yet, but I'm going to start my metallics over that black. And we'll give it a go, flow. So I might start off, I guess, with my short, wide. I might use this. This is for gesso, but I might try this. So let's see. I have got some paints that I've just poured out of their own containers, and I'm just going to see how we go, and I might mix some. So let's just do it. Just take it nice and slow. Just relax and enjoy the process. So this is just the titanium white. Okay, I'll go for the bigger one now, and I will go with the silver, and it's mixed with a bit of the metallic silver mixed with copper. That copper, that gold is very nice All I'm doing is using my brush, dipping it in the paints. I'm mixing those kind of three together in some. Just go with whatever you feel. I was going to add some metallic purple, but I'm not going to. I think that would go with a lot of people's decor. It's still leaving a lot of that dark background. I've still got some thicker paints there. I might let it dry, and I might even do a bit more after this is dry, but I don't want to go too OTT because I found the simpler, you know, they seem to sell the best sometimes. So I'll just have a little play with it, I guess, and see if I can get some. See, but then, you know, you do what I'm doing now and you end up like wrecking it. So I want to put a bit more gold in that white. That's literally just with the global metallics and those, as I showed you to start with, the low velocity paints, so not mixed with the pouring medium this time. Just, I could have done a lot more layering and softness, and you can do whatever you choose, but that really does actually pop your socks. So I am going to leave it exactly at that, I think. If it dries and I feel it needs a touch of something, I will show you at the end, but if not, I'm very happy with that. I'm very happy with that. I'm not sure how these canvas boards probably wouldn't go well with resin over unless I actually stuck it to a solid MDF piece. But I'm pretty sure that it could go in a frame quite nicely. So we'll give that a go. Okay, my lovelies, thanks so much for joining me, trying something a little bit different again. Even this piece could probably do well with a little bit of gold leafing on it, which I suppose I could try once it's dry. So who knows? Who knows? The possibilities are endless. But the one thing, oh my goodness, the one thing I did want to try in it was, which I did it in the last couple that I've done like this, was I wanted to try this sort of, it's like a catalyst wedge thing, but I think, no, well, it still does scrape through some of the paint off. So it shows that nice black canvas underneath. Maybe I can do it for the, oh. That's why I wanted the black underneath. It's just so when you use the catalyst wedge on it, it shows the black underneath. So I think I'm going to get a couple of these and cut them shorter, because you know you just need sometimes a little piece of it. Have I got my little one handy? Maybe this might do it. I can't even remember where I got that from. Oh, there you go, plaid. That's a little one. So let me try just going through. There you go. Having the black background, that's particularly why I did my black background and dried it, so I could get that kind of effect. Oh, I'm a silly Julie. Don't even remember what I have to start to write down more which I do normally write down ideas if I get them in the middle of the night. I think that's gonna do. I mean, some people probably will write, "You've spoiled it now," but it kind of adds another dimension to it, showing the black through it. I think that looks perfectly fine, perfectly acceptable. Rightio. Crazy lady's going. Bye for now. As you can see, I didn't actually do any more to it with any foil or anything, but I did add those few kind of bird impressions.